everybody, my name is Janirki Adelova and I am an English teacher. Today we will learn about the theme Sports for All for the 5th grade. The grammar topic for today's theme is past simple yes/no questions. In other words, general question. Before learning the new theme, let's remember our vocabulary about sport. The first word, play basketball, translated as basketball we know. Repeat, play basketball, play basketball. Then next word is play tennis, play tennis. Repeat after me, play tennis. Next word is do karate, do karate, translated as karatemen and also. Next, go swimming, go swimming. Жүзуге бару. Next, play football, play football. Football we know. Next, go running, go running. Жүгіру. Next, we will remember the rule of the past simple. Here, as you can see, given 6 sentences, 6 phrases about 6 phrases about we learned before, about new words about sport. The first word is play basketball. This phrase given in the present simple, our task will be to change it into past simple. It will be changed. Mark played basketball. Here we added the suffix ed after the main verb play. Play, played. Next, play tennis, change it to Sarah played tennis. Here we added the suffix ed to. Then do karate. It will be changed into Madina did karate. We use here the rule of irregular verbs. We changed main verb do into the second form of the verbs did. Next, go swimming. Here we use the second form of the verb go, went. Ben went swimming. Next, play football. Samad played football. Here we use the rule of the regular verb. We added the suffix ed. Next, go running. Sultan went running. Here we used the rule of the irregular verb, the second form of the main verb go, went. Next, to make yes/no questions, we use the auxiliary verb did before our sentence. Here given the sentence Mark played basketball. We just add did before the sentence, so we change our main verb in the past simple into the first form of the verb. We make this sentence did Mark play basketball. Here, as you can see, before the sentence we added the auxiliary verb did. Then we put subject Mark. Then we put the first form of the verb, main verb, play. Then we added the basketball. The next sentence, Sarah played tennis. Here, the sentence given in the past simple. Our task is to change it into the question form. We added did before the sentence, then we changed main verb into past simple to the first form of the verb, play. Did Sarah play tennis? Next, the third sentence is Samad played football. Here we add did before the full sentence. Then we change it, the verb into the first form, play. And don't forget to put question mark after the sentence. The next rule, if we use irregular verb to make the past simple, our task will be change the main verb from the second form of the verb into the first form. The first sentence, Madina did karate. Here, as you can see, we used the verb did to make this sentence, and we put before our sentence did, then we changed our main verb into the first form of the verb. Did, change it to do. Next sentence, Ben went swimming. Here our main verb is went. We will change it into the first form. When, change it to go. And before the sentence we added did. The next sentence, Sultan went running. Here, as you can see, main verb is went, which we will change it into the first form, go. Then we made the sentence, did Sultan go swimming? Next, then we will learn how to answer to these questions. Here, this question, did Mark play basketball? You should ask to this question yes or no. If you want to ask for this question yes, you first of all put the yes, then he did. We add only did. Next, if you want to answer to this question no, for example, did Samad play football? We will add after he didn't, the negative form of the did. Okay, now let's check our knowledge about the yes-no questions, past simple. The first exercise, your task will be to ask and write questions in the past simple. Here are given the example of the sentence in the past simple. She went to a match. We changed it to the question form, added before the sentence did, and changed the main verb to go. We used here the first form of the went, go. Then, did she go to a match? And now you may stop this video, then do this exercise. After then, you may check the answers. Now, let's check the answers. The first sentence, Alan played chess yesterday. We put here the word did before the sentence, then we changed the main verb played to play. add a question mark after the sentence. In the second sentence, you spoke English last summer. Here we added the first word did, then we changed the word spoke into the first form of this verb, speak. Did you speak English last summer? The third sentence, your sister read book last week. Here we added the word did before the sentence, then we changed the word read to read, the first form of this verb. Then, did your sister read book last week? Okay. The next exercise, your task will be to complete and write answers with the past simple. For example, did she go to a march? Your task will be to answer to this question. Here we should answer yes. Then we used she, then the form of the did, positive form of the did. You may also stop the video and may answer and write down the answers of these exercises. Okay, let's check. The first sentence, did Alan play chess yesterday? Here we should answer no, and we added didn't, the negative form of the did. Next, did you speak English last summer? Here we should answer no, so we added the negative form of the didn't. As you can see here, we used I. In the question will given you. We changed it because we ask to this question by our answers. So we changed it into I. In the third question, did your sister read book last week? Here you must answer yes, so we use the positive form of the verb did. She did. Yes, she did. If it's clear for you, your home task will be to write answers given questions in workbook exercise 2 on page 60. Your task will be to answer to given questions using the table. Charlie and Salma did a lot of different sports last year. Look at the table and write short answers. If everything clear for you, our lesson is over. Thank you for attention.